Sara Tendulkar kept it cool and casual at the airport in a grey sleeveless hoodie layered over a white tank top. She paired it with stylish pinstriped wide-leg trousers and white flip-flops, completing her look with a black Dior handbag and minimal jewelry. Her radiant smile and effortless charm added the perfect finishing touch. Vamika Gabbi kept it effortlessly chic at the airport, stepping out in a comfortable yet stylish coadi set. Finishing the look with black sandals, gold hoops, and a minimal tote bag, Vamika nailed the balance between comfort and fashion in her off-duty airport style. Richa Chadda was recently spotted at the airport, making a vibrant style statement in a bold, boho chic ensemble. She wore a colorful, printed coadi set featuring shades of green, pink, and mustard with tribal-inspired patterns, striking the perfect balance between comfort and individuality. Richa proved that airport fashion can be both bold and sophisticated. Dia Mirza kept it classic and comfy at the airport in a black tank top layered with a black and white tie-dye shirt. She paired it with crisp white wide-leg pants and black sandals, carrying a sleek black tote bag. Shilpa Shetty exuded elegance at the airport in a chic neutral-toned ensemble. She paired a beige high-neck top with white wide-legged pants and layered it with a stylish long overcoat. Her look was elevated by a statement orange Hermes handbag and sleek sunglasses, making her outfit a perfect blend of comfort and glam. Shruti Hassan was spotted at the airport looking effortlessly stylish in an all-black travel ensemble. She teamed a navy blue t-shirt with comfortable black joggers and chunky sneakers, giving off a laid-back yet chic vibe. With her hair down, earphones in, and cool sunglasses, Shruti nailed the perfect look for jet-setting in comfort and style. Shah Rukh Khan was spotted at the airport exuding effortless style in a laid-back yet trendy ensemble. He wore a white t-shirt layered with a light blue zip-up hoodie, paired with relaxed-fit denim jeans and white sneakers. Adding to his signature swagger were black sunglasses and a crossbody bag, striking the perfect balance between comfort and charisma. Karisma Kapoor opted for a chic yet comfortable vibe at the airport, dressed in a muted green oversized sweatshirt and matching joggers. She layered her outfit with a classic black scarf and completed the look with dark sunglasses and loose hair. Moni Roy was recently seen at the airport sporting a luxe and cozy athleisure look that effortlessly combined comfort with high-end fashion. Dressed head to toe in a coordinated Christian Dior tracksuit, she embraced monochrome elegance with a quilted white sweatshirt and matching printed joggers featuring the iconic Dior logo stripes. Bipasha Basu was recently seen at the airport alongside her husband Karan Singh Grover, showcasing their signature coordinated yet comfortable travel style. Bipasha looked radiant in a printed coadi set featuring shades of blue and white, perfectly blending elegance with ease. She completed her look with white sneakers, oversized sunglasses, and her sleek, straight hair flowing freely. Kareena Kapoor stunned at the airport in an all-white ensemble that screamed sophistication. Dressed in a sleek white top paired with relaxed trousers, she kept the look minimal yet impactful. With her signature sunglasses and a confident stride, Kareena proved once again that comfort and style can go hand in hand while traveling. Isha Deol wore a light blue printed shirt layered over a white tee with subtle text, paired with comfortable blue jeans. Her look was complemented by a pair of stylish brown moccasin-style shoes adorned with golden embellishments, perfect for hassle-free travel. She carried a spacious, eye-catching tote bag featuring intricate blue floral patterns.